इसमें बेटा क्या करेंगे हम, इसमें आ जाओ, हाँ आ गया। अब इसमें what happens is we have come down up to here. That means these are the stocks which have an opening balance but which do not have any transactions. Is this clear? यहाँ तक clear है कि
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
है? You understood this portion?
Yes,
This
sir.
code. ये बड़ा code कर लेना.
हाँ मैंने कर लिया sir.
So now what I say is select star into no opening stock from CT2. So I say control A, control C, control N, control B, right? Now I need to find out those items where इसका basically I need to do a reverse of this. मैं इनके transactions हुए हैं, right? But there is no opening stock, so I pick this up. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. मैंने फिर से ओपनिंग वाले अलग से निकाल रहा था.
अब ये
sir,
देखो
इसलिए
ना,
problem कर
now
रहा
you come down to this one. That means these items do not have an opening balance. ये देखो, is it correct बेटा? Yes or no? So I
Yes,
get
sir.
this. यार ये तो बड़ा धाकड़ है. Barbie is really good. So these are the ones where there is the running sum, but it is not in this. इसमें ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है? Why is this coming out like this? And why is this coming like this? ये प्राइमरी बैच है ना, सैंपल 2 में ही है ना. और इस केस में क्या हुआ? दिस इज सैंपल 3. Are you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
Then for these particular items, so these are the items for which I need to find out my total running sum. नहीं आया?
sir.
देखो ना, ये पर्टिकुलर आइटम्स प्लस विच एवर आर द वंस लेफ्ट. देखो देव ज्योति, अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग वेरी केयरफुली. दीज आर द सेट ऑफ आइटम जिनका कि कोई सारा देयर इज नो ट्रांजैक्शन एट ऑल. But now these are the set of items which have a transaction. Whether they have an opening stock or don't have an opening stock is a separate matter. Not clear? Not clear? देखो बेटा इसमें is it clear or not clear?
Sir, repeat, sir.
देखो ना, these items do not have any transaction. मतलब मैंने उसमें opening stock डाला, उसके बाद मेरा कोई transaction नहीं है.
Transaction is not, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I need to find out those items running sum, no? So I need to find out running sum. नहीं, then I don't need to process because जिसका running sum है उसका opening stock हो या ना हो, it does not impact me. So I don't need to do the second step. I don't need to do this step because जिसका running sum है उसका opening stock, it might have an opening stock, it does not have an opening stock, does not impact me. So I don't need to do this step. यहाँ तक तुम पहुंच गए कि नहीं पहुंच गए?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now what you do is you create procedure sp underscore batch closing stock as begin end. यहाँ तक तुम पहुंच गए, राइट? इसको procedure, should we make it a procedure or a function? You create this. Correct. So this procedure will come. So now it has got temporary tables. Correct. So now I've got this running sum and I can get this. Now I need to find out my weighted average rate. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
I'll come down to this closing stock batch. So this is going to give you the running sum. That means I have the running sum plus whatever is the opening value. That will be my this thing. So I need to find out my closing balance quantity as of this date. Now come to this inward amount batch. This is the same as what you have done here. Just that the ledger group is in purchase. Account is in purchase. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the quantity is in purchase. Okay. So I can do it in one single step here. So what I do is, this is काफी complex है यार ये.
How to think, sir? आप कैसे सोचते हैं, sir?
ये थोड़ा सा abstract होता है बेटा, because ये this you will get it with over period in time. So Devjyoti, even I am struggling right now. Frankly, okay, I'll just tell you. So I will take, what I'll do is, I will take this whole thing. And I'll say Control N, Control C, Control V. right? So I'll be frank with you, I'm also struggling right now. Now he says, because I didn't anticipate that this will be so complex. This is ledger group batch. So now this ledger group batch is here. So I have to do a second lookup. See, I have got this particular table, master ID and company name. Based on this, I need to go to the ledger view, which is the ledger movement, and pick up all ones where there is primary account for that given master ID. नहीं आया समझ में? So I pick this one up. This is correct. Then I say CT1A as. So now it is get the ledger movement of purchase accounts. So select star from ODS underscore voucher ledger details tally. ये होगा select star from CT1AS. यहाँ पे हम पहुंचे. Then he says that my ledger primary, so where ledger primary is equal to purchase accounts. ये काफी टफ है यार ये. This is not a simple job, boss. ये सारे परचेज अकाउंट्स के आ गए. जब जल्दी have you taken it up? Now
Yes,
this
sir.
will be joined by the master ID and the company name here. भैया जो master ID is my unique key of the voucher. So I say distinct company name comma master ID. Then CT1B as. Select. ये वाली लॉजिक आ गई ना तुम्हारी. This logic is coming. क्योंकि मैंने लेजर बैच इसलिए बनाया था सो दैट इट्स वन गो ना. सो इन्वर्ट क्वांटिटी इज व्हाट आई नीड टू डू. जब ज्योति तुमने अगर ये कर लिया काफी कुछ हो जाएगा. तो दिस शुड कंटेन परचेज. यहां तक तो मैं आ गया. ये करना है ना मेरे को.
हाँ.
CTE1. A dot master ID, comma, A dot company name, A dot company name is equal to B dot company name, and A dot master ID is equal to B dot master ID. यही तो है ना लॉजिक. देन ये अब ये जो CT1B है इससे ज्वाइन करोगे. तो ये यहां पे CT1B से ज्वाइन करोगे ना तुम. Are you understanding from where I'm coming here?
Yes, sir.
And here, what you can also do is, because this is a very useful skill. There was a company, in Delhi, उन्होंने SAS का ऑर्डर लिया था. उन्होंने बेंचो SAS तो यूज नहीं किया. They read everything in SQL and they were trying to tell the client that they had done it. So I mean, हम लोगों से सारा काम कराया. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया. अब ये देखो, ये हुआ क्वांटिटी क्या आई. So batch amount is there. So the way to do it is, कास्ट, इसको लिया तुमने क्वांटिटी, राइट, इनटू तो दिस इज डेसिमल 18,2. this as total value. Understanding from where I'm coming? This is built
Yes,
quantity into the batch rate. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, मैंने ग्रुप बाय नहीं किया था क्या? अच्छा, कास्ट ही किया है ना मैंने. ओके, so this goes as possible. This is fine. And sum of, देवज्योति बेटा टाइप करते रहना ताकि प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. Total underscore value as
सर BCP क्या है सर?
BB alias है. Total running value. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
तो दोनों आ गए. तो तुम्हारे ये these two have come. This as well as this. This was very tough. So I'm sorry, boss. This was even I am struggling. So I don't think so. It was fair on my part to even put you into this. Right? I'm sorry about that. This was quite tough. ये आ गया तुम्हारा running sum.
Yes sir.
This is fine. This is fine. Now I pick up the running sum. ये है ना? So यहीं पे कर देते हैं. Sum of total value divided by sum of this quantity as weighted average rate. आ गया. This has been done. So we have come up to this. Now this weighted average rate by whatever is a running sum value there multiplied by whatever is a running sum value there is going to be your, तो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक की वैल्यू कैसे आएगी? So weighted average rate has come. देवज्योति मैं तुम्हें ये पूरी की पूरी वो दे रहा हूँ. कंट्रोल C है ना. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द क्रिएट प्रोसीजर. SP underscore weighted average rate for batch as begin. ये समझ आया बेटा?
यस सर.
अभी मैं इसको आगे हम लोग पढ़ा लेंगे फिर एंड. Control A, Control C, because you have to go into a demo, right? Okay, I'll